is not going to change your life. You are. Let that sink in. A new year doesn't make you stronger. A new year doesn't make you disciplined. A new year doesn't suddenly give you success. You either stay the same, or you decide to dominate. Right now, most people are comfortable. They wake up late, they skip workouts, they make excuses, and then they wonder why nothing changes. But you're not here to stay average. You're here to become unstoppable. And that starts with a decision. A decision that no matter how you feel, you show up. In the gym, in your work, in your life. Because winners don't rely on feelings. They rely on discipline. There will be days you don't feel like training. Days your body is tired. Days your mind is weak. But those are the days that matter the most. Because when you push through on those days, you build something powerful. Mental toughness. Anyone can train when they feel good. Anyone can work when they're motivated. But can you show up when you don't feel like it? That's the difference. The gym is not just about building your body, it's about building your mind. Every rep you push, every drop of sweat, every moment you feel like quitting but don't, you're training your mind to be stronger. Stronger than excuses, stronger than pain, stronger than weakness. And that strength, it carries into your life. Because the same discipline you build in the gym is the same discipline that builds success. If you can control your body, you can control your life. If you can push through pain in the gym, you can push through challenges in life. That's why this matters. This is bigger than fitness. This is about becoming a different person. A person who doesn't quit. A person who doesn't make excuses. A person who finishes what they start. And that kind of person wins. But understand this, it's not going to be easy. There will be pain. There will be struggle. There will be days you question everything. But that's part of the process. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. It shows you your limits and then challenges you to break them. Every time you feel pain, you have two choices: stop or push. And every time you choose to push, you grow. Not just physically, but mentally. You become someone who doesn't back down, someone who doesn't fold under pressure, someone who keeps going, no matter what. And that mindset, that's what separates winners from everyone else. Most people quit when it gets hard. They choose comfort over growth. They choose excuses over discipline. They choose easy over necessary. And that's why they stay the same. But you're not most people. You're building something different. You're building a mindset that refuses to lose. So when you walk into that gym, don't go in there casually. Go in with purpose. Go in with intensity. Go in ready to dominate. Because every workout is a chance to improve. Every set is a chance to grow. Every rep is a chance to prove to yourself that you're stronger than you think. And it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting your standards, raising your expectations, demanding more from yourself. Because if you don't demand more, you will settle. And settling is the enemy of greatness. So stop settling. Stop doing the bare minimum. Stop giving half effort. Stop making excuses. Start showing up fully. Start pushing harder. Start doing what others won't. Because that's how you separate yourself. That's how you dominate. Not by being average, but by doing what average people refuse to do. And it doesn't stop in the gym. Take that same energy into your life, your work, your goals, your future. Be disciplined in everything. Wake up early. Stay focused. Stay consistent. Because consistency is what builds results. Not motivation. Not talent. Consistency. Day after day. Week after week. Month after month. That's how you transform your life. And yes, there will be days you feel like quitting. But remember this. Quitting is easy. staying consistent. That's hard. But hard is what builds greatness. Hard is what builds champions. Hard is what builds you. So when it gets tough, when your body is tired, when your mind is telling you to stop, that's when you go harder. That's when you push further. That's when you prove that you're different. Because 2026 is not for the weak. It's for the disciplined, the focused, the relentless. It's for the ones who are willing to outwork everyone. So ask yourself, are you one of them? Or are you going to stay the same? Because at the end of this year, there will be two types of people. Those who made excuses and those who made progress. Which one will you be? The choice is yours, right now, not tomorrow, not next week. Now, decide that you're done being average. Decide that you're done wasting time. Decide that you're ready to dominate. Because nobody is going to do it for you. No one is coming to push you. No one is coming to save you. It's on you, and that's your power. Because if it's on you, you can change it. You can build it. You can dominate. So step into 2026 with a different mindset. A mindset that says, I will not quit. I will not make excuses. I will outwork everyone and then back it up with action. Every single day, no breaks, no excuses, no limits. Because this is your time, your year, your moment. So don't waste it. Dominate it.